Hello and welcome to Cat ASMR. And tonight I'm going to let you identify four different colors of yo-yos. Oh, can you tell me what color is this one? Yep, it's green. And can you tell me what color is this one? Yep, it's violet. Can you tell me what color is this one? Yep, it's yellow. Can you tell me what color is this one? Yep, it's red. And now, follow some of my instructions. Follow this violet yo-yo with your eyes on. Now follow this green yo-yo with your eyes only. Now follow this yellow yo-yo with your eyes only. Now follow this red yo-yo with your eyes on. Now I'm going to relax you by tapping on this violet yo-yo. Now I'll tap on this green yo-yo. Now I'll be tapping on this yellow yo-yo. Now I'll be tapping on this red yo-yo. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment down below. If you're new, please subscribe to this channel and have a good night, everyone. Bye.